Meaning of double bassoon.
Double bassoon.
Double bassoon.
Double bassoon.
Double bassoon. The double bassoon, also known as the contrabassoon, is a larger and lower-pitched version of the traditional bassoon. It is typically used in orchestral and concert band music to provide a deep, rich, and resonant bass sound. The double bassoon is played by a contrabassoonist who sits at the back of the orchestra or band. Its distinctive sound is created by a long, curved metal tube that doubles back on itself twice, which causes the air column to vibrate at a lower frequency.